What is optimize wires and buses option? This option basically prevents extra wires, polylines, and buses from overlapping on top of each other. By default, this option is enabled and it is recommended that you keep it enabled. Let's see by an example how this option behaves. Right now, this option is enabled. Let's draw a wire. Let's draw another wire beside it. Now these two wires are merged together. Now they are a single line. Rotate, delete. As you can see, it is behaving like a single wire. Let's draw another wire. A second wire overlapping with the first wire. Since this option is enabled, the two overlapping wires merged together. The overlapping part automatically removed, and this wire is a single wire right now. Delete. Let's try buses. This option also enables buses to behave like this. Place, bus, a single one here, another one here. As you can see, these buses merged into a single bus. Now let's draw overlapping buses. Place, first bus, second bus. Now this is overlapping with the first bus. As you can see, it is merged into a single bus. They are not two separate buses. Now let's disable this option and see how it behaves. Right click, Preferences, under Schematic, under General, go here and check this option to disable it. Now the Altium Designer's behavior changes. Let's place a wire. First wire, second wire. Unlike before, these wires are still two separate wires. Rotate, it rotates separately. Delete, only one of them is gone. Let's draw overlapping wires. Wire, first wire, second wire overlapping with the first wire. As you can see, these two wires are not merged into a single wire. They are separate wires. Let's see if this is true for buses also. Place, bus, overlapping buses. Now, since this option is disabled, the wires are not merged into a single wire. This is still a separate wire. This is still a separate wire. So that's how this function works. Thank you.